Get out of here. Get away from over here. Get out of my yard. Come. Oh, hello, doll enforcement agents. My name is Rica Wolf, and I am here to appeal for funding for a very critical project. So, you study the behavior of convicted felons, right? How many of them can tell you that when they snap, they were holding an adorable little puppy?
Aww.
The answer you're looking for is none. None. So then, the question is, why don't we lock them away with puppies? Okay, so there is a risk that these puppies will be killed. But what if I told you there was a way that I could engineer a puppy for optimal cuteness and indestructibility?
Bruh.
Okay. I know it sounds a little sci-fi.
Bruh.
But what if we could engineer a super cute, indestructible super puppy? Now, folks, just imagine, what if we could engineer a totally indestructible puppy? It would be totally lifelike. You wouldn't know the difference between it and a regular puppy. The only difference is when you try to snap its neck.
Is it possible?
So, we'll take a room full of these puppies. And put them in a room with the most hardened gangbanger out there. Now, they might try to kill these puppies. We expect this. That's why we must make sure that these puppies are indestructible. Here is some real-life testimony for people who have utilized these indestructible puppies. Get over here.
I used to be bad at dogs or whatever, but now I got a better dog, and now it's gonna be better, cause I can't break it no more. Yeah, I'm done. No, I'm not about to be sitting here recording with you. Leave me alone. I am on a date. Leave me alone. Ugh.
See? Indestructible. Soon, the murderer will fall from the futility of trying to snap the unbreakable puppy's neck, and he'll cry out,
"Hey, Mama, I love you. P.O.P. all the time."
Then, in this learned state of helplessness, they'll begin to wonder, why? Why can't I kill this puppy? Why?
P.O.P. all the time.
At that moment, we got them. And at the moment when they're most vulnerable, our puppies will close in. And they will start to nuzzle and tickle the prisoners. And the prisoners will begin to giggle. Just imagine it. Criminals who grew up in a household of abuse and conflict, now locked in a room with indestructible puppies. Remember, cuteness is the enemy of toughness. What self-respecting criminal wants to admit that they are softened by cuteness of a puppy? Faced with this unbearable cuteness, their anger, their fear, their hate will be overcome by love. They'll cry, they'll beg, they'll plead. Not the puppy room, please, not the puppy room. Yes, I have a dream of invincible super puppies that would not only be cute, but will be a marvel of modern engineering. This will be exactly what we need to lift doll humanity out of the darkness. Now, who among you will fund this very important research? Call now the number at the bottom of your screen to save a criminal, save a puppy, save a life. You ready? Because it's about to start. Now watch this, everyone. This is an actual indestructible dog. See? Just like I said, indestructible. Oh, snap! Here they come. Oh, get down, get down, get down. Alright, y'all. It's been real. This Rica signing off. Peace!
It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a neighborly day in this beauty wood, a neighborly day for beauty. Would you be mine? Could you be mine?